So hello everyone, this video is meant for timetable. So we want to assume that you have navigated to the dashboard. So look at my icon, this is where timetable is. So you click on timetable on your dashboard. When you click on it, it takes you to the timetable dashboard. Okay, so we don't need to create day because we have created day Monday to Friday. We've created time, we've created level. That is, what we mean by level is either primary, nursery, or secondary. So secondary is divided into two, either GSS1 or GSS2. All right. So we don't need to create any other subclass again because we have created a subclass before. Both the result processing package and this timetable, they are using the same database. So what we have created before, we don't create them again. We don't need to create subject again, and we have also helped you to create the period 1, period 2 up to period 8. That's what I've created at the back of the database. Then the class, we assume that the classes have been created before you begin to program your timetable. You might have set up, but in case a school is not using our main application, that's why we create all these features for the dashboard so that they will create them afresh. Then we assume that your staff have been registered, but if you have not registered your staff, you can also register your staff here. It goes to the same table. All right. So, but the basic feature that I actually want to show to you is how to input timetable, which is the last row here. How to input your timetable. So you click on input timetable. So it takes you to this place. Then you select the level. We have junior and secondary school here. So I'm using it as illustration. In your own school, it can be nursery and primary. No, there's no problem about that. Then you click the class. I'm going to click GSS1. Then the subclass, I click diamond. So you select the appropriate subclass and classes for your own. Then initially I've created period 1 and period 2, so I'm going to create period 3 now. So on Monday we have period 3, then subject. Let's say civic education is a subject. Then you select the staff. So which staff is taking the civic education? Olufunke Omale. Okay, so you have selected about 4 parameters, then you submit. So when you submit, it tells you that you are working on GSS1 Diamond, data inserted successfully. If it's not successful, it will tell you try another staff. For instance, now we have picked Olufunke Omale. So let's look at Monday, then the period 3 again, then civic education. Let's pick Olufunke Omale again. Okay, the same class. It will tell you, and if I submit now, look at the message. It said this staff is engaged, try another staff. Also, if this staff is engaged in another class, it will also tell you that staff is not available for that particular period. So that's what this timetable is all about. Okay, let's create maybe 1 period more for GSS1 Diamond. So we have done the period 3. Let me advance to period 4 on Monday. Period 4 on Monday. So let's look at maybe basic science. Let's assign basic science to Loretta Adejuma. Then we submit again. Good. So we'll be able to create 2 periods here. I've created 2 periods before I started the video. So that makes 4 period that we have created on Monday. So we can go and check. The timetable now. So let's check timetable for GSS1. You click on view timetable. This is view timetable. Okay, then you check GSS1 Diamond to view the timetable. Then you click view. When you click view, it shows period 1 English, period 2 mathematics, period 3 civic, and period 4 basic science. That is if you are checking based on the class. You can also check based on the teacher's timetable. If you want to check based on the teacher's timetable, you click the name of the teacher. We made for Olufunke, Omale, and also Loretta. So let's say I'm Olufunke Omale and I want to check my timetable. I click view. So when I click view, it tells me that period 4 I'm engaged in JSS1 Diamond. Okay, so that's the way it is. If I'm engaged in other areas, it will also tell me that I'm engaged in other classes. Please, let's learn how to make use of this timetable. It will definitely help us. It will help the teachers to personalize their timetable. It will help the class to personalize their timetable also. Then if there is any error, so you can also correct it. Let's say we have error in the GSS1. So day 1, that's Monday. Monday is day 1. Then we look at let's look at okay, period 1. Maybe I want to correct period 1. I want to reassign period 1 to somebody else. Okay, so I click junior, I click Monday, then class JSS1 Diamond. JSS1 Diamond, that's what I'm trying to correct. Then period 1 is what I'm trying to correct there. Then subject, it was English that we put in period 1 before. Maybe we want to change it to basic tech on Monday. So, and then we assign it to another staff entirely. Let's say the staff that we want to assign it to is John Adeleye. So we click on John Adeleye, then we submit. So it's a data inserted successfully. Alright, so we can just go and check either it has been corrected. Then we go to view timetable. Go to view timetable, JSS1 Diamond, JSS1 Diamond, and then check their timetable for JSS1 Diamond on Monday. So it has been changed to basic tech. So that's exactly what we are trying to say. That means on that day they don't have English again. So please try and learn how to make use of this timetable. It will only help you. Thank you for listening. God bless you.